I never thought he would break my heart like this. My name is Emma. I am a shy girl. I don't talk much. I don't have many friends. But there is one person I think about every day. His name is Jake. Jake is in my class at school. He has a nice smile. He is kind to everyone. I like him so much, but I am too scared to tell him. Every day, I watch him from a distance. My heart beats fast when he walks by. I want to say hello. I want to talk to him, but I can't. The words don't come out. One day, I decide to be brave. I walk up to Jake after class. My hands are shaking. My voice is quiet. Jake, I say, I need to tell you something. He looks at me and smiles.
What is it?
I take a deep breath. I like you. My face feels hot. I want to run away, but I stay. Jake's smile gets bigger.
Really? I like you too, Emma.
I can't believe it. He likes me. Me. I feel so happy. My heart feels light. We start a relationship. We talk every day. We sit together at lunch. We go to the park on weekends. I am happier than I have ever been. Jake is everything I wanted. He listens to me. He makes me laugh. I am not so shy anymore when I am with him. One Saturday, Jake comes to my house. We are going to watch a movie together. I am excited. I open the door. Jake smiles at me. We go inside. My younger sister Lily is in the living room. She is watching TV. She looks up when we come in.
Hi.
She says. She smiles. This is my sister Lily, I tell Jake.
Nice to meet you.
Jake says. Lily is pretty. Very pretty. She has long hair and big eyes. Everyone always says she is beautiful. I love my sister, but sometimes I feel small next to her. We sit down to watch the movie. I am happy. Jake is next to me. But then I notice something. Jake looks at Lily. He looks at her many times. More than he looks at the TV. More than he looks at me. I feel strange. My stomach feels tight, but I don't say anything. Maybe I am imagining it. The next week, things change. Jake doesn't ask me to go out. He doesn't sit with me at lunch as much. He seems different. One day, he sends me a text. Can we meet after school? I say yes. Maybe everything is okay. Maybe I was wrong. We meet outside. Jake looks nervous. He doesn't smile.
Emma,
He says.
I need to talk to you.
My heart starts to beat fast. Something is wrong. What is it? I ask. He looks down.
I don't know how to say this.
Just tell me, I say. My voice is shaking.
I like your sister.
He says.
I like Lily, not you. I'm sorry.
The words hit me like cold water. I can't breathe. I can't speak.
I'm really sorry.
Jake says again.
I didn't mean for this to happen.
He walks away. I stand there alone. I feel empty inside. I go home. I go to my room. I close the door. Then I cry. I cry so much. My pillow gets wet with tears. How could this happen? He said he liked me. He smiled at me. We were happy together, or I thought we were. Now he wants my sister, beautiful Lily. Everyone always wants Lily. I feel so stupid. I was brave. I told him I liked him. And now I feel worse than before. I lie on my bed. My eyes hurt from crying. The room is dark. I am alone. I think about Lily. She doesn't know anything. She doesn't know Jake likes her. She doesn't know he broke my heart. Should I tell her? Should I say something? If I tell her, she will feel bad. She will say sorry. But it's not her fault. She didn't do anything wrong. If I don't tell her, maybe Jake will tell her himself. Maybe they will be together. And I will have to see them every day. I don't know what to do. My heart is broken. My tears won't stop. I close my eyes. I don't have an answer. Not yet. What would you do if you were Emma? Should she tell her sister or stay silent? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to improve your English while enjoying stories like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and join us for the next story. Lesson of the day: brave. Brave means showing courage and not being afraid to do something, even if it is difficult or scary. Examples from the story: one day, I decide to be brave. More examples: he was brave. He went into the dark room. The dog was brave. It saved the little boy.